just when I thought that the weather was amazing. Look at. I'm tired of the snow. Please stop. It's almost April. In fact, it's April already, and it's still snowing. Okay. I know it looks like I'm complaining, but this is how deep it is. Like, very deep. Like, goes deep inside. And yeah, that's how deep it is.
The ice behind my stone cold eyes. I turn to ashes, but only just sometimes. Inhale your smoke, but you still act surprised. It's not my fault when we end up capsized. You call me crazy now, but you don't understand. I'm calling out to you. Can you hear a thing? 'Cause you lit the match that ignites the flame. I'm the TNT, but you're the spark to blame. And it's fire, burning holes inside my brain. Feel the fire, heat that melts us down again. Now it's pouring through my veins, but I said you're the spark to blame. And it's fire, burning holes inside my brain. I know some days with you it's paradise, but now you spin me in a web with all your lies.
So we are here to do oil change in the car while I wait for the UPS store to get opened. So we got there and it was closed. Hey, where's my microphone? I've got my mic. I don't know if people are going to hear me now. My AirPod is
my AirPod now?
No, this is like talking. I can use my AirPods to do voiceover, but not to make videos. So I'm here to do oil change, like I was saying. The UPS store is closed. They open at 9:30. We got there 9:30 and they're still closed, maybe because of the blizzard. Or we'll just wait for a few more minutes and then I'll go and check again if the UPS store is open. It's not far away. I can even walk down from here down to the UPS store. So see you guys then.
The best and they're very, very cheap.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, honestly. So this is where I'll be bringing my truck.
That's good. And it's even close to the house.
Yeah.
So we're heading to the UPS store now. I'm not tired of my voice.
I'm just waiting for you to fall.
God will,
God
will not allow.
God
will not. It will not allow such.
Once are Nigerians, my Niger people, anything that God.
Yes, God is
God will not allow it.
He will not allow such to happen.
Go there.
He will not allow such to happen to me, Obiko. So like I said, the UPS store is not far from where we're doing the oil change in the car, so we're just walking down there. Everywhere is so.
Let's go get hookah.
I don't.
Heat that melts us down again. Now it's pouring through my veins, but I said you're the spark to blame. And it's fire, burning holes inside my brain. I know some days with you it's paradise, but now you spin me in a web with all your lies. Want you to feel the way I feel inside. I'm reaching out for help, you got me in a riptide. You call me crazy now, but you don't understand. I'm calling out to you. Can you hear a thing? 'cause you lit the match that ignites the flame. I'm the TNT, but you're the spark to blame. And it's fire, burning holes inside my brain. Feel the fire, heat that melts us down again. Now it's pouring through my veins, but I said you're the spark to blame. And it's fire, burning holes inside my brain. Fire.
Ivy.
UPS store. UPS store is still closed, even at almost 10 a.m. They're not open yet, so we just head back to the automotive store and come back after they are open. Still have my file. Nothing with me. All the things I want to photocopy. Yeah. Did you see
And
my
don't let this
ass?
thing fall on you.
I didn't know I had that much ass. Look at my ass. Look at my ass. Look at my ass. Look at my ass. Ooh. Are you checking on that ass?
Somebody, daughter, go find me one day.
Which person, daughter?
Something I'm suffering. Somebody.
So I'm making you suffer. You never begin the suffer. This is just the beginning of the suffering. Asshole. My hand is even freezing. I need to wear my gloves. It's because of you guys. You see the sun. Dude, they're supposed to take pictures of me. I look too hot. So guys, I am done at the UPS store. It was, how would I put it? It was quite slow because I had to start filling those forms from the beginning. I couldn't transfer them to the email and print it out after filling it at home, so I had to start filling it like right there at the UPS store. And because I already had like the form I already filled prior to going there, it was just easy for me to just look at what I had written on the paper before and then just transfer it. So it was quite fast. I also used the opportunity to print out some papers as well, some pictures. I put everything here, so I'll just go home, compile some other things that I had at home to be added to the form, and then we will file it. Go to FedEx or USPS. Sorry, I was saying someone called. So we'll file it at FedEx or USPS. We'll do an express sending. Anyway, whenever we're going to file it, I'll take you guys along with me to file, and we're good to go. So I'm really happy with the amount of things I was able to do today. We killed so many birds with one stone. We did the oil change for the car. I did the printing and all of that, photocopying of my papers. We also went grocery shopping at Walmart. Now we're buying, I think, rice. I have a special rice I like, so we are where they sell it, and hubby has gone in to buy it. What else? What did I plan to do today? I plan to do my nails today, honestly, because it's been off, but I'm just going to postpone it to next week Saturday because of the things I had to do today that has taken time already. We left the house by 9 a.m. and it's already past 2 p.m. and I'm really tired and cold. Today's snow was on another level. So I think we're even right in front of where I will be coming to do my nails here, Pro Nails, but I'll be coming next week Saturday. I have a trip very soon, so I just want the nail to still be very fresh when I have that trip. So I'll still take you guys along on that trip, and I'll take you guys along. This man, why are you doing this thing? Why are you stressing me out?
Are you on the phone or you're talking?
I'm not on the phone. I'm making my video, my YouTube vlog. So yeah, next week Saturday I will just come and do the nails. But for today, I'm tired. Like I was saying before this man interrupted me. Why is your face even in my vlog? Carry your face in my vlog. Leave your face in my vlog.
I didn't buy my chin.
Fine, it's almost finished.
No, it's fine, Joe. I want the thing.
So yeah, we're done for today. And it's a wrap. I'll take you guys along subsequently when we decide to do the rest of the video. So for now, bye.
You call me crazy now, but you don't understand. I'm calling out to you. Can you hear a thing? Cause you lit the match that ignites the flame. I'm the TNT, but you're the spark to blame. And it's fire, burning holes inside my brain. Feel the fire, heat the melters down again. Now it's pouring through my veins, but I said you're the spark to blame. And it's fire, burning holes inside my brain. Some days with you it's paradise, but now you spin me in a web with all your lies. Want you to feel the way I feel inside. I'm reaching out for help, you got me in a riptide. You call me crazy now, but you don't understand. I'm calling out to you. Can you hear a thing? Cause you lit the match that ignites the flame. I'm the TNT, but you're the spark to blame. And it's fire, burning holes inside my brain. Feel the fire, heat the melters down again. Now it's pouring through my veins, but I said you're the spark to blame. And it's fire, burning holes inside my brain.
I want to talk. I want to talk. It's fine. It's not bulky. That wasn't hard. That was really easy. To file it was really easy. So yeah, we came to USPS to file the papers I was telling you guys about last week. And yeah, your girl is blonde back. Got my blonde hair back. Have anything to say? Yeah?
No.
He said no.
I'm good.
Hey, all right. So we'll just wait to hear from them if they've gotten it. Maybe we'll get an email or something. I don't know. But we also have the receipt to track. We have a tracking number. You can always track the mail. Yeah. All right. Bye for now.
Melt the ice behind my stone cold eyes. I turn to ashes, but only just sometimes. Inhale your smoke, but you still act surprised. It's not my fault when we end up capsized. You call me crazy now, but you don't understand. I'm calling out to you. Can you hear a thing? Cause you lit the match that ignites the flame. I'm the TNT, but you're the spark to blame. And it's fire, burning holes inside my brain. Feel the fire, heat the melt melts us down again. Now it's pouring through my veins, but I said you're the spark to blame. And it's fire, burning holes inside my brain. Some days with you it's paradise, but now you spin me in a web with all your lies. Want you to feel the way I feel inside. I'm reaching out for help, you got me in a riptide. You call me crazy now, but you don't understand. I'm calling out to you, can you hear a thing? Cause you lit the match, get ignites the flame. I'm the TNT, but you're the spark to blame. And it's fire, burning holes inside my brain. Feel the fire, heat that melts us down again. Now it's pouring through my veins, but I said you're the spark to blame. And it's